Mastering Similes and Metaphors. Boost your conversational English. Hello, learners. In today's video, we're going to delve into a fascinating part of descriptive language, similes and metaphors. These language techniques are often used in everyday conversation, and understanding them can greatly enhance your English communication skills. They are particularly useful when describing people, places, and things in a more vivid, engaging manner. Let's dive in. First things first, it's essential to know what similes and metaphors are. In simple terms, a simile is a figure of speech that compares two different things in an interesting way. The comparison is directly made as clear as possible, typically by using the words like or as. For example, she swims like a fish. He is as brave as a lion. A metaphor, on the other hand, is a figure of speech that directly refers to one thing by mentioning another. It may provide clarity or identify hidden similarities between two different ideas. For example, time is money. He is a shining star. Now let's explore some common similes that you might come across or could use in everyday English conversation. Remember, similes use like or as to draw comparisons. 1. As blind as a bat. This simile is used to describe someone who has very poor eyesight. 2. Fit as a fiddle. This is used to describe someone who is in excellent health. 3. Eat like a horse. This simile is often used to describe someone who eats a lot or has a big appetite. Just like similes, metaphors are frequently used in everyday conversation. However, remember that metaphors make a direct comparison without using like or as. 1. The world is your oyster. This metaphor implies that you have the freedom and ability to do whatever you want. 2. Life is a roller coaster. This is often used to describe life's ups and downs. 3. Heart of gold. This metaphor is used to describe someone who is genuinely kind and generous. And that's a wrap. We hope this exploration of similes and metaphors in conversational English has been helpful. Remember, using these descriptive language techniques can make your conversation more interesting and vivid. Practice using them, and you'll be mastering the art of English conversation in no time. Until next time, happy learning!